With the IGrow1400 controller, you can program a cycle irrigation mode to achieve a multiple amount of waterings throughout the day. With this option, the irrigation valve is cycled continuously during a time window with an on time and an off time that you would select. Now, to program an output for cycle irrigation, you would do the following. Now, from the home screen, you would hit Enter Menu. You would choose and highlight Program Equipment, and then you would go into the output that you want to program as a cycle irrigation device. And we're going to hit Enter Menu to highlight the one, hit Next, and where it says None, we're going to simply hit plus to expand the none and make it an irrigation equipment type device. Hit back and then hit Next till you highlight Scheduled. Now, scheduled irrigation is an irrigation mode, and if you were to hit the plus, cycle irrigation. Now, the cycle option is for turning on and off a valve at some repetition rate during a time window. As with other options, your first entry is the on time for the valve, which is the water flow time, and for this example, we're going to choose 5 seconds. Change the minute to 0, and the seconds we're going to make it 5 seconds. Now hit Next. Now in the second window, you will set the time window with the start and end times. Now the start and end times can be fixed, or they can be related to sunrise and sunset, and you can make this choice by simply hitting plus. But for our start time, we're going to go ahead and simply put 6 a.m. and our end time is going to be 6 p.m. just like that. Then hit Next. And finally, the cycle duration time, which is a combination of the on time and the off time added together. And for this example, we will choose 1 minute for our cycle time, our cycle duration time. Hit minus to make this a 0, and hit this to be 1 minute. Hit Next to get to the first window again. Now, to save our changes, we'll simply just hit the back button all the way to the home screen. Now, being at the home screen, you can see if we were to hit Next, you can see 4 columns. Now, the first column is the channel number. The second column is the equipment name assigned to that channel. The third column is the number of times that that output has triggered an irrigation mode. And in the fourth column, which is the current status of the equipment, cycle irrigation will display the amount of time remaining until the next irrigation cycle. Now, the output number 1, which has a shorter cycle duration time, is still counting down to get to the point where it's going to water for a second time. Now, with Lincoln 1000 software, the output would look just like this. And we did not name the output, but we're going to go ahead and name it right now, and we'll name the output Irrigation 2. And then hit Update. And as you can see with Lincoln as well, it has similar values where it shows the irrigation, the amount of waterings, and it doing its job. And as you can see, the controller is reflecting the name change as well. And that's our video in programming cycle irrigation on the 1400 controller.